What I'm going to do right now is take you on a quick tour. So this is the before video, 5 minutes or so on some projects we're going to do in the next few months. It's mid-May, and let's see what we got going. It's really humid this morning. Say hello, Tuxedo. And if you can see real close, well, here's one close. Actually, they're just everywhere. That's what I want to show you. We firmed up the cookhouse with some new wood. We're going to be revamping this old chicken coop area for some turkeys, I hope. That's what I want. We built up this wood pile area. We have been propagating, and we're getting ready to plant about 30 chestnuts. But here's some of the blueberries. They're going to be great in about 3 or 4 years. We revamped the well house, and my wonderful husband put in a tool shed component side of it. I'm reworking my compost pile. This is the old greenhouse. My husband found sliding glass doors and created a greenhouse out of it. We took the roof off, which was sliding glass doors, so it's not so heavy. He's expanding the greenhouse to be about 40 feet long. He's going to bury those doors over there 2 feet into the ground. On the roof, we're going to have the clear panels. I have some squash plants growing in here, my stock lemongrass plants. And I isolated each squash plant with a cage just so I can treat it tenderly, because I'm doing spaghetti squash this year. I wasn't very successful with it last year. And over here we have a new vegetable garden. Green beans there in the middle, cattle panels, some broccoli, peppers, and over there is tomatoes. Next year I think we're going to completely cover this ground with weed barrier. I'll show you the inside of the greenhouse. It's kind of a mess, but that's part of the process. There are the grapes. There was one volunteer Everglades tomato plant. Totally took off and giving me scores and scores of tomatoes. My strawberries are still doing good. Oh, there's a bunch of red ones on there, yay. And I started some lettuce up here. But anyway, the inside, you can see we are totally tearing this apart to expand it. Pineapples are doing great. These are the 5 persimmon and 5 mulberry I'm propagating. And I have other little starter things. I'm using old seeds. I hate to throw out seeds, but I have some heirloom seeds that are 3 years old, and I'm not going to sell them unless they're within a year old. But I'm going ahead and seeing if I can grow these. Okay, I'm going to sign off for now. It's so humid out. I'm going to go have some ice water. And I'm going to show you the after video. It's going to look cool, I am sure. But we have a lot of work to do, and it'll probably take us several months to finish a lot of this. All right, y'all. Have a wonderful day, and God bless. Bye-bye.